Maybe you just started your business and you're simply looking to grow your audience. Maybe you have a huge following, but you have no idea how to convert them into customers. You might have poured your heart and soul into creating an exceptional online course, coaching service, ebook, or other digital product and saw zero sales. Well, can you imagine if you opened your front door tomorrow to find 100 people lined up, ready to learn more from you? By the end of this video, your business can get there if you follow this ultimate lead generation playbook that we're going to cover. If you like it, remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you want even more guides and tutorials to help you grow your business. I'm Aaron from Thinkific, the ultimate tool to help you start and grow your creator educator business. Now, when we say lead generation, we're talking about getting your online viewers to start deepening their relationship with you, check out your products and services, and ultimately buy something. Lead generation is the lifeblood of any business. So let's start breaking it down by the key steps. Step one is to understand your audience. You can't attract the right leads if you don't know who they are. So take a moment to visualize your dream customer. Who are they? What do they want? What are their pain points? Understanding your audience on a deep level will guide you in all future lead generation efforts. Become their confidant, their superhero, and create content to grow your audience on platforms and solve their most pressing problems. Loyalty starts with listening. Step two is to create a lead magnet to quite literally attract your leads in. Think of it as a bait that hooks your potential customers in with a taste of what you've got in store. It could be a free ebook, a mini course, an email course, a webinar, or even an exclusive video series. If you already have a digital product, cut out a morsel from it and offer it for free. Just make sure it feels irresistible and packed with value. Then offer it in exchange for their contact info, like an email or phone number. And remember, the juicier the bait, the more leads you'll reel in. Don't be afraid to offer your best nuggets of knowledge for free. Step three is to optimize your website for lead generation. By strategically placing opt-in forms, optimized call to action buttons, and smartly placed pop-ups, you can turn your website into a lead magnet itself. Use persuasive copywriting that highlights the value people get from joining your tribe of followers. Step four is to embrace the power of the sales funnel. Now, I know the word funnel might sound a bit intimidating, but trust me, it's your secret weapon. A well-crafted sales funnel guides your potential customers through a journey from awareness to consideration to purchase. Think about how you can move someone forward after they give you their contact info to start thinking more seriously about buying one of your products. From there, offer leads who demonstrate a higher intent to buy with the opportunity to get in touch with you personally, such as over sales calls. Step five is to build your email list. Now, in a world where new trends emerge on the second, people might think old school strategies like emails are long dead, but here's a hot tip. Don't underestimate the importance of email marketing. Your email list is your golden ticket to staying connected with your audience and generating reliable revenue. The lead magnets you create will build your list. So from there, it's all about making sure that your stream of emails coming in stays steady. You'll want to create awesome content from those lead magnets like it's the hub of a wheel, with each piece of content acting like a spoke from it. Then you want to make sure that the content gets in front of the right people. For example, if you create a course on how to build a shed, you can take resources from that course, like a buyer's guide, a tool guide, and a blueprint, and turn those all into lead magnets. Then make 10 pieces of content that promotes each guide and promote those pieces of content through things like social, ads, and SEO. And hey, let's not forget about the power of collaboration. Step 6 is to start sharing audiences. Join forces with influencers, podcasters, and fellow course creators who complement your niche. Together, you can create a tidal wave of traffic that neither of you could have achieved alone. But let's face it, we all make mistakes, and learning from them is a part of the journey. So let's talk about some of the big ones that you should avoid so that you don't miss out on the leads you deserve. The first mistake is avoiding promoting yourself and your products just to not seem pushy. Instead, you just need to look at it like you're helping someone who needs your solution find it faster. Don't hold back and confidently share your learning product or service offer. The second mistake is ignoring data and just relying on your gut. Despite the complexity, data tells you what works and what your audience prefers. Analyze the patterns in your downloads, email engagement, or your viral content to drive more leads and sales. Combine your insights with your instincts, and you'll always make the right decision. Phew, we have covered a lot today to get you those valuable leads for your business. Whether you're a strategic marketer or whether you have zero experience, you're not alone. We're going to be here to support you every step of the way. And if you're hungry for more, make sure to get the 30 ultra-effective lead magnet ideas that we posted to the Thinkific blog. We'll link that down below. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and make sure to subscribe to never miss out on the top tips to elevate your business coming from Thinkific. We'll see you in the next one.